You're totaling my 1998 Honda Civic sedan, clean title with 130,000 miles? Is that what you're telling me? I thought replacing one door on my Civic would be the easiest repair ever. Instead, my insurance company declared it a total loss, and today I'm taking it to the body shop to find out if that is the case and to see if the car is actually worth saving. But before we even get to that, we've got a project we got to handle today, which is this project, because I keep the relationships, you know what I'm saying? It's removing the decals off of the security cars. I probably presented this a while ago, but I'm still doing this. Boom, bitch. I got one whole side done. Well, practically one whole side done. I got to do the trunk lid, and then the other side. So let's get to that before we even get on with the Civic. And just like that, she was done and ready to go to the next home. They're decommissioning these cars, so they're getting rid of them. But we're gonna go hold him up and ask him for the next one. Got another one coming. All right, we got that car out of the way, so now we're gonna head over to the body shop to go get this thing checked out. So now the insurance can call it totaled all they want, but that's not someone I entirely trust. I wanna take it to someone I trust entirely, and that is Memo. Who is Memo? Before making any decisions, I wanted a second opinion from someone I trust. This is Memo, a body and paint technician with over 20 years of experience in the industry. He's worked on countless builds over the years, including projects for YouTuber Marco's car restoration series, as well as vehicles for creators like Fit Rich and the Viper Guys. He's even had the chance to work on several Fast and the Furious replica cars. If anyone can tell me whether this Civic is worth saving, it's him. The body shop gave me some news I honestly wasn't expecting, but I'm going to save that for the next video because there's a lot more to this story. With that being said, you guys,